Here it is.
It will run, man.
It's already searching for a place to hide and such a big guy.
Hey.
Look, 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 look. Now what to do now?
No, I'll throw it out.
Don't hit it.
He's trying to go on.
He wants to go out. You brought those plants, no? What type of a snake is it?
God knows, maybe poisonous also. Don't this thing, make him scared, man.
Can you keep the main door open and let him go out that side? Pull the sofa, go pull the sofa, go pull the sofa. He wants to go out, don't touch him, he'll go out. Such a big fellow, man. Lift the curtains up, lift the curtains up. No, I don't want him to come this side. If he goes inside the packet, is okay.
Let him go inside the packet, man.
But he should go, no. He shouldn't go this side, he should go that side.
What to call a snake fellow?
Snake catchers Johnson in Vasco, we used to call him.
See, no, because I don't.
Do you have an empty plastic bottle or
Don't touch it, man, you fool.
I'm not touching it, man. Why will I touch it? I want him to go out.
See, it might jump. Some snakes jump. God knows, there may be more also.
Now why you have to say that?
He's going that side.
Are take the broom and sweep him out, yeah. Don't hit him, but.
Oh, he put him.
See, better don't don't allow him to go. Ayo. He's gone also inside. Very good. You keep all this junk, no? Now he's gone and hidden inside now. I'll go and I'll sleep in my car, huh? Bloody, I'm telling you. You sleep in the house with the
Inside?
snake. There he's come out. But where did this guy come in from? Where he's going?
Let him go in that hole.
And cover the damn hole then. See, there he is.